Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to optimize your Shopify product pages so you can increase conversions and make more sales. First, use high quality, zoomable images that show your product from multiple angles. Great photos build trust and help customers feel confident about buying. Next, write clear, benefit focused product descriptions. Highlight what makes your product unique and why it solves your customer's problem. Break text into a short paragraphs or bullet points so it's easy to scan. Add trust signals like customer reviews, star ratings, or guarantee badges near your add to cart button to build credibility. Make sure your pricing and shipping details are also really clear and easy to find. Confusing or hidden costs can cause customers to leave without buying. Finally, check your product pages on mobile devices to ensure everything loads fast and buttons are easy to tap. Most shoppers will be browsing on their phone, so that's really it. These simple changes can make your product pages more convincing and help you close more sales. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials.